Finally, একটা gift তো পেলাম. It's called Red Rose from Prince Ramay Smith. Heaven Thupu. Finally, একটা gift তো পেলাম. Thank you so much. From Bismillah Assets, Rahman Builders and Land Development Chairman Habib Rahman, Prince Ramay Smith, Heaven Thupu. Thank you so much. Finally, একটা gift তো পেলাম. From E16 Block E, Jakistan Mahamadpur, Dhaka, 1207, building name Siddique Jahan, floor 7. Also another DHS. Thank you, Smart Model City. Another DHS. Don't believe in strange and fake people. Direct contact with me if you have sufficient capacity. Building front side gate details there. এটা তো ছোট প্রজেক্ট, অন্য সাইডে আরও প্রজেক্ট আছে. 140 project all over Bangladesh. Thank you so much.